Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be going over our stroller setup. Sorry guys, it's been a little bit that we haven't done a video. I have been down with pneumonia, so if you hear me a little clogged up, that's why. We do have Caitlin here today. Do you want to say hello, Caitlin?
Hi.
Caitlin's so excited. We're about, what, a week down?
14 more days.
Yeah, 14 more days. We're so excited. All right, so I'm going to slide over here. All right, guys, so first things first that we have today on our stroller. So our stroller does come with a little caddy on it. On the top, it does have room for 2 drinks. It has a little compartment at the top that you can put things in. I think we're going to put our extra fans in there just so it's easier to open and get into. I do have another caddy that I did get.
Hey, can I ask you a question? Hey, Papa, by the way, do we need all this stuff?
Yes.
Yes.
Who's pushing this thing?
Me.
It's a lot of stuff, and I don't see any spatulas on here.
We're not
bringing the spatula.
Sorry.
Anyways, before I was interrupted by Papa and his barbecue tongs that he keeps insisting on we're bringing, which we're not. We do have a caddy that I did get off of Amazon. It's just an extra space on the front of the stroller. We did have cup holders and trays. My kids don't need them. They're going to be in and out of that stroller, so we just took them off. That way we have extra spots for some cups. It also has a little compartment here. We do have some wipes. Wipes are very important. Remember, we went over it before in our other videos. People are nasty. Okay, we need to make sure we clean those messes up. Next, in this little compartment, I do have our little reusable straws. I will probably add some more straws in here. I have been collecting straws from like fast food places and things like that. Remember, again, you can take your own straws into the parks except for Animal Kingdom. Animal Kingdom, you cannot bring reusable straws, plastic straws at all. But the other parks you can. There is a little pocket you can put a phone. I have some hand sanitizer. Again, let's keep the germs and stuff away. I have my stroller fan up here. It does have a mister in it. The kids have a mister fan right here, as well as 2 stroller fans on the front. I may be getting 1 more stroller fan just to put in the middle. I just want to make sure my kids are cool. That is the main thing for me. I want to make sure that they are staying cool, being hydrated. They have their cups in there as well. We'll go over that here in a minute. Both kids do have their own stroller flags. They are mainly for us to be able to see where our stroller is, because when you're in the parks, they do move the strollers around as they go. Sometimes it is hard for them to find it. I will be having some lights that are coming in that'll go around this just for nighttime as a cool little effect to be able to see it at night. Another thing that we do have, I do have these little clips on here. I don't know if you can see them. This is for if we have shopping bags, somebody doesn't want to carry their park bag. It's easy, you just clip them on. I do have a couple of them, as well as the little baby holder things that we can put stuff on. Caitlin's park bag is on here right now. We do have our little cooling towels, more things on the keychains that we went over before. I do have my park water bottle over here, as well as my dad's is over here. We will have a popcorn bucket on here as well. I just don't have it with me at the moment. We already went over the stuff that is in the bags for the park bags. It's basically the same thing, the medicines, just the things that we are taking into the parks. All right, so let's go on. So on the front up here, I do have a little mount for my phone. So that way I'm not holding my phone and having to push the stroller at the same time. It's just a lot easier to be able to have it up here. We do have the Van Vost Avery family vacation flag that's on here too. There is another one that'll go on that side. So on to the side, so this is Bubba's side. He does have his autograph book. He will have a bubble wand in here, as well as his water bottle is strapped in so it doesn't fall out. He does have a pink stroller fan. I don't know why I thought I bought a black one, but it ended up being pink, so all of them are pink. Real men wear pink. He'll be okay. Caitlin's is the same on the other side. Let's wrap it around. Like I said, I did take off the little caddies that are on there. It's just easier for us. All right, Caitlin, do you want to go over your side of the stroller? What do we have in here?
We have my autograph book and my water bottle.
Okay,
And my fan.
And your fan, and then is that your flag up there? You made that flag, didn't you? It looks really good. All right, so we do have these. Her bubble wand will go in here as well. Let's go back to the back. This stroller is really cool. It's very swivel, easy. Now we're going to go into more of the back. So I'm going to take these bags off just so that way you can see. Okay, so now that the bags are off, you can see a little bit. I do have our little rain cover for the stroller. So anytime that we park it, this will be going over the stroller. Because in Florida, it rains just randomly. It could rain for 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 20 minutes. We could be on a ride and it's raining. And I don't want our stuff getting wet. So this will go over our stroller. And that just goes in the little back pocket that we have right here. Next thing I do have is a little cooler. This will have like little drinks, snacks, things like that we can put in here. It does have the little, what are these called? Little ice packs you can fill up with water, stick them in the freezer. Perfect for on the go. It's pretty big in here, so we can carry a lot of stuff. So next thing I do have in here is just a little extra bag. It is just a cooler as well, but this is more of a, we put snacks and stuff in. I do also have one of those little lawn blankets for us to have when we're watching the parades or we're watching the fireworks. I did get it from T-Mobile on their T-Mobile Tuesday free days for this summer, which was awesome. So we can just lay this down and the kids can sit on it. It's very compact, very easy. Just stick it in a little cooler and that will just fold in here. These pockets on these strollers are really, really big, which is really amazing. So that way we can definitely stick a lot of things in here. In fact, I haven't even put anything on the other side, if y'all can see. All right, and next thing, if you want to come on closer with me, we do have a tracker. I did get this off Amazon. It does discreetly just hide in there, just so that way no one walks off with our stroller, or if they move it, I'm able to find it on my phone. It's very easy.
That's great. Now everybody knows where our stroller's at.
Yeah, no. Next thing I do have in here, last but not least, is I do have one of these little foldable totes from Marshall's. This is just so that whenever we put the stroller down to get on the buses, you do have to take your stroller and fold it to carry onto the buses. Any loose items, things like that, instead of having to hold them all in our hands, we can shove them in this bag. It's pretty big. And that way it's just easier to shove it all in here and get on the bus and go. And that will just go right there. But other than that, that is our stroller. I am going to shut it down for y'all. Most of the stuff will be able to stay on the stroller. Caitlin will be in charge of her stuff. Bubba will be in charge of his stuff, just throwing it in the bags real quick. So as far as this, it's really easy. All you got to do, we could take our stroller flags off so they don't get bent. They're easy to come off. Stick them in that bag. As well as, I'll probably leave the stroller fans on, and then we'll just take it. This will come off, go in the bag. Really easy. It folds down really easy. And there we have it. And it'll just go like that. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching our stroller video today. Again, we've got 14 days left until we go to Disney. Our next video is going to be over the stuff that we are taking in the car. And that video should be coming to you soon. I hope y'all all have an amazing day. Please subscribe, like this video. We will have some good content coming for you here in Disney World coming up, so you'll get to see a whole new atmosphere. We're so excited. Caitlin's really excited. Yeah? What is your most thing that you are the most excited about?
Seeing Stitch.
Seeing Stitch? Of course. We're excited to see all the parades and do all the cool things. We're ready. I wish we could leave today. Can we leave today?
And the most thing I'm really excited about is to see my family have fun.
Oh, I loved that. If you stayed this long in the video, please leave us a heart emoji down below. And we will see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day. Bye.